Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create shapes and lines on CapCut PC. I'm just going to freeze frame this real quick. You can use any color you want. So go to video, go to mask, and select any shape you want. There's a heart shape, there's a star shape, there's a circle shape, and you can kind of like create your own shape if you'd like to. I guess like you can create a flower using circles. You can create like a moon. Here I'll show you for the moon one. You're going to get a circle and you're going to right click create compound clip and you're going to mask it again. But you're going to reverse that to create this moon shape kind of. Maybe adjust like the size of the circle to make it more like a moon shape. To create the line, just go to the text, add in text, and add in like a line using like either the underscore or like placing spaces next to them. This is not the underscore. This is like the dashed lines to create these kind of lines. And that is pretty much it. That's how you can create shapes and lines in CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!